Magandang araw po at magandang gabi sa mga nakakapanood sa gabi at sa lahat po ng naaabot ng video na ito. Welcome po dito sa AMBO Avoy Mix Videos. Ngayon po ay tatalakayin natin ang tungkol dito sa mga missile na to, no? Napapanahon nito, no? Sabi nga ni Putin, pag nagkamali ka ay magkakaroon ka ng missile crisis. Pero labas po tayo doon, ano? At dito po tayo sa ating bagong order ng mga Spider. Karagdagan po to. Take note po, no? Matagal na po tayong meron nito, no? I think nung last year pa, no? Na sinasabi na para itong katulad ng Iron Dome ng Israel. Balita ko, Israel din po ang nag-issue sa atin ito. At ito po ang tinatawag na Horizon 3 na Rafael Spider. So, tingnan po natin mula po sa video ni Update PH. Ito po.
In a significant development for the country's defense, Major General Fabian M. Pedregosa, commander of the Air Defense Command, Philippine Air Force, PAF, announced the approval of the acquisition of additional ground-based air defense systems.
So kung mapapansin nyo, tatlo yung launcher at yung dalawang nasa dulo, ito po ay yung sensor. Ito po yung nagsesense kung may papasok, no? So, na missile at sasalubungin itong mga Spider, parang Iron Dome. Ito po ay defense system po. Tuloy natin.
And advanced radar technologies. The announcement was made during the 77th founding anniversary ceremony of the 5th Fighter Wing, held at Basa Air Base in Pampanga. Major General Pedregosa emphasized the critical role of these systems in bolstering the nation's air defense capabilities. This milestone demonstrates our unwavering commitment to ensuring the security of Philippine airspace, he remarked, noting that the planned acquisitions align with the Philippine Air Force's vision of becoming a modern, capable, and responsive air defense force. This recent approval is part of the continuing modernization efforts under the Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP, modernization program. In recent years, the PAF has made significant strides in air defense, including the acquisition of the Spider, surface-to-air Python and Derby, air defense systems from Rafael Advanced Defense Systems of Israel. The Spider system, delivered as part of Horizon 2 of the modernization program, has become a cornerstone of the country's air defense network. Its mobility and ability to engage various aerial threats, such as fighter aircraft, helicopters, and drones, have been pivotal in addressing regional security challenges. One of the priorities of the Horizon 3 phase of the revised AFP modernization program is the procurement of air defense systems that help secure the country's airspace.
Itong missile na ito ay talagang kailangan po natin ito, no? Lalo't may mga threat po sa atin. At lalo na naglagay po tayo ng Typhoon missile dito. Yung Typhoon missile po ay hindi po siya defense. Ito po ay attack missile. Ano? Ito po ay isang uri ng pagganti sa kalaban. Ano? Kung sakaling inattack tayo, pwede rin po tayong umatak mula dito sa bansa natin papunta sa kayang maabot nito. No? Balita ko ang mid-range missile ng Typhoon ay abot hanggang mainland o dulo ng mga kalupaan ng China. So, tuloy po natin ulit.
In the event of a threat coming from external forces that pose a danger to the country's national security and interest. Aside from multi-role fighter jets that is currently being competing between Saab and Lockheed Martin, another system that helps secure the Philippine airspace is the Rafael Spider Mister ground-based air defense system, of which it will not be surprising if this platform gets added later on the phase. The addition of Rafael Spider Mister in Horizon 3 marks a significant step in strengthening Philippine air defense. Through this investment, the PAF not only enhances its operational capabilities but also demonstrates its commitment to safeguarding the security and sovereignty of the nation. With this modernization, the Philippines is prepared to confidently face potential threats in an ever-changing security landscape. As a proactive measure in the face of evolving global security dynamics, the Philippine Air Force, PAF, has taken the initiative to enhance air defense capabilities by incorporating the Rafael Spider Mister ground-based air defense system in the Horizon 3 phase of the revised Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP, Modernization Program. This step not only recognizes the need to bolster air defense, but also signifies the Philippines' commitment to strengthening overall military capabilities. The Re-Horizon 3 phase of the AFP Modernization Program is designed to respond to changing security dynamics and address potential threats by adopting modern technology.
Stop po natin ulit, ano? Kita nyo na itong makikita nyo dyan sa video niya, no? So, nakapost lang po siya na talagang ito po ay mga Pilipinong sundalo. Ayan po. At kuha po yan dito base sa background. Yan yung mga klase ng puno dito sa Pilipinas at meron na po niyan dati. So, magdadagdag po tayo. Hindi po ata tinalakay dito kung ilan pa yung idaragdag. Kasi para sa akin, hindi sapat yung meron kang ganyan. Ang mas sapat na mas marami kang bala nito, no? Kasi kung 200 yung missile na a-attack sa iyo, kailangan 200 o mas mahigit pa sa 200 yung ipang sasalubong mo para masalag mo lahat yung missile at wala pong makapasok doon sa territory na pinoprotektahan nitong Rafael Spider, no? So, sige, tuloy po natin ulit.
In air defense. Rafael Spider Mister was selected as the suitable solution to meet these demands, demonstrating the Philippines' commitment to achieving defense excellence. The approval of new acquisitions is seen as a response to growing security concerns in the region, particularly the heightened tensions in the South China Sea. With the Philippines' vast territorial airspace and increasing pressure to protect its sovereignty, these upgrades are deemed essential. The new systems are expected to address gaps in air defense coverage and provide the capability to counter a broader spectrum of threats. While specifics about the systems to be acquired have yet to be disclosed, defense analysts speculate that the additional systems might include mid to long-range missile platforms and multidimensional radars capable of tracking stealth aircraft and ballistic missiles. The AFP Modernization Program, now in its third phase under Horizon 3, 2023 to 2028, seeks to elevate the capabilities of the PAF and other branches of the armed forces to deter aggression and respond effectively to external and internal threats. These planned acquisitions reflect a larger commitment by the Philippines.
So, kung nakikita nyo yung umaangat, yan po yung tinatawag na radar o sensor system na kung saan kung may pumasok, sasalubungin nga. Ang tanong ko kung kaya ba nitong salubungin o ma-detect ang isang drone kasi baka ito ay nakaprogram sa speed, no? Sa speed ng papasok para ito ay mag-activate. Kasi ang pagkakaalam ko, ito ay automatic na, no? Once na isinet up mo. Pero ito ay, siyempre, mayroon pa ring operator ito, no? Balita ko nga, yung operator ng Iron Dome sa Israel ay isang sundalong Pilipina po. Yun po. So, ito, dapat very ano yung mag-ooperate nito, no? Very well known at well trained, ano? Para talagang lahat matamaan niya. Yung isa pa, sa tanong ko, yung hypersonic, na kagaya ng sinabi ni Putin, kasi yung kanyang missile is imposibleng masalag kasi ito ay Mach 10. Kayanin kaya ng system nito yung mga ganun kabilis na missile. Sige, tingnan po natin ulit.
Government to address vulnerabilities in its defense posture and to strengthen alliances with strategic partners such as the United States, Israel, and
Yan
Japan.
po.
The Philippine Air Force's recent developments, coupled with its planned acquisitions,
Yan
signify
po.
a renewed focus on protecting the nation's skies and ensuring air superiority in the region. As Major General Pedregosa aptly stated, we remain steadfast in our mission to protect and serve the Filipino people. With these advancements, we are better equipped to secure the peace and stability our nation deserves.
Ito po yung video, yan po yung radar system, ano? Pero yung pinakita doon kanina, ano yun yun yung tinatawag na dome, na protected area. Depende sa lawak. Depende siguro sa klase, ano? So, pinakita rito na kung kanina, tinamaan niya yung helicopter. Alam naman natin ang helicopter ay hindi ganun kabilis sa katulad ng jet fighter. Ibig sabihin, may option ito na i-manual para tamaan niya. Ibig sabihin, para ikaw na mismo ang mag-target, magdesisyon na mag-target doon sa area o doon sa unit na tatargetin mo once identified na ito. So, ito po yung video. Makikita natin. Yan po. Kuha po ito dito sa Pilipinas. Makikita niyo yung mga kasundaluhan natin dyan. Mga Pilipino po yan. Tatlo lang yung nakikita ko sa, tatlong unit. Tapos dalawa yung tinatawag nating radar system. Siguro magdadagdag pa tayo dito ng tatlo pa bilang parte ng Horizon 3 para sa modernization ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. At sana nga matuloy na rin yung sinasabi nila na Bongbong, yung Santa Barbara project, yung Bongbong missile, na dito mismo sa Pilipinas gagawin o i-formulate, kasi alam ko parang hypersonic din kasi yun, yung Project Bongbong na yun. Ayan, ang pinakikita laging tatlo tsaka dalawang, dapat tatlo rin yung tinatawag natin na control o yung sensor system. Sabi nila kung wala yon, hindi natin yan papakinabangan. Yung tungkol naman doon sa missile na binili natin na made in India, yung pong tinatawag na hypersonic missile, ay mukhang kailangan din ng heart. Yung heart, ito rin po yung sensor. Without yung ganon, hindi natin masyadong ma-maximize yung gamit nung yung missile na to, yung binili natin doon sa India, yung tinatawag na BrahMos, mukhang binili yung BrahMos na wala yung heart, so kailangan natin yung tinatawag na heart na yon o yung sensor o yung operation system niya para magamit po yun. Kaya napapansin ko parang hindi siya masyadong tinatakil ngayon o wala tayong update masyado. Siguro in-acquire natin na kailangan natin yon. So, sana yung hindi magdulot sa atin ng tinatawag na threat, yung mga Typhoon missile na nilagak dito ng US dahil ang presidente po ng Russia ay tila nagdeklara na ng gera sa US at maging sa West country, At siyempre, kung nasaan meron doong missile itong US, target yon ng Russia para pasabugin yung mga missile na yon. Meaning to say, kung talagang magipit sila, sinasabi nga ni Putin, may karapatan silang gumamit ng armed attack o yung kanilang mga missile, even ito ay nuclear, kasi nagigipit sila at kailangan nila. Nakakatakot po kasi mabuhay sa isang lugar na merong mga threat na ganyan, amba dito, amba doon. Hindi mo malalaman kung itutuloy o hindi. So hanggang dito lang po. Maraming salamat po.